guys, it's Ava. This is my second video. As you know, I have already done one video called If You Plant a Seed. It was a really nice book. Thank you for everyone that watched it. I am so grateful. Like, I got up to 30 views and 4 likes. That is just amazing. I can't even believe it. Now I'm everywhere. So thank you so much. If you shared it, I'm just thanking you a lot for doing something that can make the word spread out to everyone. So today we are going to be reading, or tonight, we are going to be reading Nighttime Sounds of the Wild. It is a beautiful book. I love it. It is just full of creations, noise, and all that other stuff. It was written by Maurice Pleasure. So let's go. So this is what it starts like. It's a very beautiful noise. I like it very much. So what's going to happen is I'm just going to read and I'm going to show you all the pictures. So, dusk. As night creeps over the shadowy woodland, a lone owl swoops through the sky, still on silent wings. It spies a mouse scuttling below and in a flash plumps to the ground, seizing its victim in deadly talons. For a moment, its echoing hoot fills the night air in silence. So, yeah, that is a very beautiful part that I love. Like, the sounds of the wild, it's just a beautiful thing to, you could read in the morning, you could read at night. It's just really nice and relaxing. I think it would start your day off pretty well. Our next one is going to be Sunset Shadows. It tells you all on here, so tells you all the information because it has if you can see these little circles, those are numbers, and then on each of those numbers there's something all written around here in those numbers categories. So then it'll tell you all about them, and then you'll be like, wow, I just learned a bunch in just a little book. That's how much a book can do when you just read. It's really cool. Let's get to it. Our next one is this one, Sunset Dusk. As you can see it, you can hear and see moths and bats. Moths and bats. Okay, it says, all is peaceful in dusky scrubland. The still air hums with steady sound of cicadas. Suddenly a rush of flapping wings and the sky fills with cloud of bats. Pouring out of the night, the dark circle swiftly hunting the moths that flutter on the warm breeze. So this is just, look, I don't know what else to say. I'm speechless, but this is a really nice book. I'm surprised that my dog didn't attract to this because he's nearly one of these. So, as you can see with the pictures, instead of going read then picture, we're going picture then read. Okay. And I'll tell you why I'm doing this. Yes. This is really annoying. A still moonlight night and the ghostly howl of wolf echoes through the desolate valleys of the Rocky Mountain. A timid deer pricks up its ears, then springs away to hide among shadows, crags, and the dark undergrowth. A tiny mouse pauses, tenses twitching its nose, sniffing the cool night air to alert danger. Oh, let's see that was called Midnight Mountains. Spooky. The next one is the Shady Swamp. Dun dun dun. Okay, let's go. Okay. The whirling calls of bullfrogs linger on the murky marshland air. Deadly nighttime hunters wait silently, preparing to strike. Splash! An alligator flings itself from the water, seizing a bullfrog in one quick snap, before disappearing beneath the cloudy water. As the ripples disappear, the swamp surface becomes once more. Ooh, I wonder what's next. You're gonna have a sneak peek. I'm not looking. What? Oh my god! There's a little tiger cub. This looks like the morning. Aww. Okay, let's start reading. I knew that was going to happen. Dawn breaks. The first shafts on sunlight float through the dense trees. Slowly, the jungle creations emerge into the morning. A still tiger, returning from her hunt, breaks the silence as a mighty roar as a peacock piercing cry fills the warm air. A new day in the jungle has begun. And that was the story. I hope you like it. Now let's go on to why I shot another video. So I did it because, well, it's just I want to pass on a next generation of reading. Then that person can do the next and next and next and next and next. Because also, it's just because reading is actually more than you think. It's not just reading a book so you get better at reading. But it's because you get better at reading. You learn a lot of stuff. You could be a reader for anyone else. I mean it. You could start your own YouTube channel if your mum and dad lets you. I don't know. You'll be famous. And reading is just like something that trains your brain. So, say you were reading an emergency book, you would know you would already be prepared to do what you would have to do. Because reading teaches you a bunch of stuff. You don't need a person to teach you. You can have a book. You can learn a lot of stuff from this book because it has all the information in it. I got another book in my shelf that has a bunch of stuff. In here, you can, in Roald Dahl books or Rainbow Magic or any type of book, you can imagine stuff and, I think artists actually read books to get their inspiration. You gotta feel like reading. It's a civilized thing. Everyone reads. When you read, you learn new words. Let me see. Naturopath. You can learn naturopath, or prenatal, or dusk, or maybe tiger if you're a little kid. It just takes time. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I hope you can comment down below in the link what else you would like me to read, or what type of book, or maybe something that actually it might be able to be something that I have, or maybe you could just do something I don't know I might be able to get. I'll show you all the books I have. I have a bunch of books. So I have all these books here. Might not see them, but I have a lot. I have Spot books. I have a bunch of Roald Dahl books, if you can see them. So much Roald Dahl. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Like. See you later. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.